I'm proud to announce Skills, now available from OutboundSync. I'm going to walk you through what this looks like. Just 2 weeks ago, we released the OutboundSync API, starting with a set of operator-focused endpoints. Now, we're releasing a package of skills that are available in NPX and also in GitHub, open source under an MIT license. And the idea is that you are going to be able to use these new API endpoints and some of the knowledge that we've learned over the years right inside of Cursor, Claude Code, Codex, or wherever you're doing your agentic coding work. So I'm going to move myself out of the way here, and I'm going to show you how this works and why we're excited about it. So like I mentioned, this is published online. It's on GitHub, but we've also got the documentation on our site that shows how you can get this. And the idea is that when you pull up Cursor, Claude Code, Codex, and these tools, you're going to be able to tell it basically how to work with OutboundSync. And that means how to use our API endpoints, how to make sure your connection is live. Not only is our platform up, but your specific connection is up, and troubleshoot that. We're going to be introducing webhooks and several new API endpoints for webhooks in the next couple weeks. That'll allow you to track any errors with your data sync and basically that observability layer to make sure that everything is running the way it should. So we're going to be adding more and more ways to interact with our product. And not only our product, but the tools that are adjacent to OutboundSync. The skills are going to help you do that. Build better campaigns, analyze the results of your campaigns. And I'm going to show you just how we're starting to scratch the surface there. I'm on outboundsync.com. I'm in the docs section of the website. And here you can see we've got these in 4 major categories. The first one is launch and CRM analysis. Here, this is a pre-flight check, and it also helps you see after the fact how your campaigns are going. This is a full specified skill, and basically once you have this downloaded on your machine or in your cloud environment, your agents will be able to use this to run these specific playbooks. We've also got copywriting and identity around developing offers, cold email, subject line and body, sending connection requests on social, or how to set up email aliases even. And then deliverability is going to cover email authentication, sending domain quality. And finally, we've got the directories. Now in OutboundSync's website, we have a directory of about 60 agencies we work with, and we also have a directory of over 60 different integrations. Some are fully live, some are in beta, some are coming soon. These directory skills are going to help you. If you're getting stuck on a problem and you want an agency to help you, well, guess what? This skill will help you identify one of those agencies that we work with. They're vetted and they have active clients working with us right now, and they can jump in and help you solve that problem. Improve your reply rate. Fix your inbox issue, or maybe figure out how to orchestrate omni-channel across email, social, and maybe even paid ads. The idea is that we want to take all the things that we've learned in our platform and make this very readily available to you and to your team so you can ship better campaigns right where you're working. Now, the exciting thing is that this is based on principles of what we've learned. Soon, we're going to be opening up our whole global data set and making these strategic insights available so that you will be able to apply lessons not only within specific campaigns or within your CRM, but even tapping everything that we've learned across all of the users in our platform. So this is where we're going. We want to help you get better results. Know what Outbound is doing, know what's working, know what's not, and grow your business. So Skills is just the latest of a set of things that we're going to be shipping over the next few months and really through the end of the year. We're really, really excited about what's next. But practically speaking, right now, today, we want to help you run better outbound. So check it out. Go to outboundsync.com. If you go to the doc section, you can see the skills catalog. You can see how to actually install them and set them up. Or you can find us on GitHub and you can make your own copy. Fork it, submit a pull request. What would you change? We'd love to know what ideas you have and how to make this better, because we're all in this to win. We want to help you win. And thanks for checking out what we're working on lately. Appreciate your time. Good luck.